Hey, what's up guys, and tonight I just want to come on here and make a quick update video on the snowstorm that will bring severe weather to the southeast and pretty much affect about 70% of the U.S. and maybe the potential for a storm behind that. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Other than that, let's get into it. So first, we're going to take a look at the updated model guidance, and this is the GFS model. And we pretty much know what's going to happen with this storm. We might get a little bit of ticks in the amounts of snow. So really what we're going to do is take a look at the snowfall amounts and for each of the models, and then take a look at the blend of all models. So this is a GFS model, and you can see it's dropping a good swath of 6 to 14 inches from in Wisconsin, Minnesota, in areas like that. And the Euro model is showing something very similar, and we pretty much agree with this. It's not quite as heavy on the totals, but something I like to look at is the blend of all models, and this gives you a really good idea how much you can actually see. So we're going to have to go back a run to this one, and here we go. So yeah, here's a storm, and you can see you have a blend of a good 6 to 10 inches here. So that's a pretty good mean or average, as you could say. And then you get up into these areas of Michigan, and you're going for 2 feet. So someone in this snowstorm, I really do think we'll get a foot of snow. I don't know where. It could be locally. It could be like a widespread across like a whole region. But I definitely think someone will get a foot out of the snowstorm. And then another aspect we need to watch the storm is the severe weather. And for that, we're going to take a look at the NAM model, which is a close range model. And you can see it's agreeing with the GFS and Euro. It really starts to develop there into a 982. That is producing blizzard conditions there for a brief period of time. And then you can see this line of storms, not quite as intense on the NAM than it is on the GFS and models like that. But you can still see down here in Georgia, Tennessee, in the southeast, you have severe weather. You're going to have chances for very heavy thunderstorms, heavy rain, flash flooding, tornadoes, even hail. And then you can see the storm starts to develop behind it, and the GFS shows something pretty crazy. This is the only model that's shown it, but it did show it for the 12Z and the 18Z. But here it comes. It starts to develop just like the NAM model, and then, yeah, it really develops into a bomb cyclone, bombs out, becomes a 975 nor'easter. So we're going to keep watching this because we'll take a look at the snow amounts just for fun, because it's always fun to look at, even though it probably won't happen at this point. But you can see it brings, what is that, 40 inches into Pennsylvania, or 30, I mean, widespread 2 feet in the northeast Pennsylvania, Philadelphia getting 8 inches. But the Euro model does not show this at all. This is for about the 9th, so it's 6 days away, and the models are in complete utter disagreement. The GFS is the only one showing it, so I would be surprised if we did get something like this. But you can see here's the 9th, and there's absolutely nothing there. We definitely have a storm system down in the south, but unless it goes up the coast, we're not really going to get a chance for that storm system to form. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for today, guys. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you like my channel, please